Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has ordered removal of Surajpur collector Ranbir Sharma after a video of him went viral on social media in which he can be seen slapping a youth for violating lockdown rules. The incident was followed by an uproar on social media platform with netizens demanding action against the DM. Condemning the act, Baghel said that he got to know about the incident through social media. An incident of Surajpur district collector Ranbir Sharma misbehaving with a young man has been brought to my attention by social media. This is extremely unfortunate and condemnable. No such incident shall be tolerated in Chhattisgarh. Have given instructions to remove collector Ranbir Sharma with immediate effect. A rough translation of Baghel's tweet posted in Hindi read, "Misbehavior by an official is unacceptable. I regret this incident," the Chief Minister added. In the video, the boy can be seen showing a piece of paper and something on his mobile phone to the collector, who takes the device and throws it to the ground and then slaps the boy. The IAS Association also condemned the act. The IAS Association strongly condemns the behavior of Collector Surajpur, Chhattisgarh. It is unacceptable and against the basic tenets of service and civility. Civil servants must have empathy and provide a healing touch to the society at all times, more so in these difficult times, it tweeted. After the video of the incident went viral, evoking widespread anger against the official, Sharma apologized, saying in a statement that he never had any intention to disrespect or belittle the person in the video. Claiming to be a COVID-19 survivor himself and that his mother was still battling the infection, Sharma accused the man of overspeeding and misbehaving with officials. He also said that contrary to media reports, the man is not a minor and is in fact 23 years old.
चोट लगने का डर था। जब उनको रोका गया तो उन्होंने कहा कि मैं वैक्सीनेशन लगवाने जा रहा हूं। उन्होंने एक पर्ची दिखाई जो वैक्सीनेशन से संबंधित नहीं थी। बाद में वो बोले कि मेरी दादी जी को मैं देखने जा रहा हूं। उन्होंने बदतमीजी की। मैंने आवेश में आके उनको एक चाटा मार दिया। मैं माफी मांगता हूं अपने इस व्यवहार के लिए। सोशल मीडिया पे अभी चल रहा है कि वो बच्चा जो है 13 साल का है।
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, Hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.